everybody. I am Amol Harishchandra Pense. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I suffered with hepatitis C in 2010. I took my treatment for 2 years, then also it relapsed and it damaged my liver a lot. So for next 3 years I was suffering a lot of pain and stomach was full of fluid, ascites, swelling in feet. So then I consulted my doctor in Pune, Dr. Sheetal Mahajani, and she suggested me a name of Dr. Manish Verma and Apollo Hospital in Hyderabad. So I met Manish Verma in Pune itself, and he very much positively explained me all the procedure and how we are going to go ahead for the transplant. Because I already visited 2 doctors about the transplant, but the way Manish sir told me, it was in a very positive way. So even we didn't think of checking how the hospital is, how the OT is, which normally people do. And then I got a call from Hyderabad once when it was Ganesh festival. So we rushed here to take a treatment, but unfortunately that liver didn't suited me. So we went back. But within 2 days again I got a call from Manish Verma when I was admitted in Pune for ascites. It was very painful and it was giving me a much trouble to have to do breathing and to have anything, any movement. That time Manish sir called and he said that rush to Hyderabad again and we are going to do your surgery immediately. I reached the same day at 9:30 in the night, and the way which was my case was handled was very impressive, with a speed which everybody was on the toes ready here to do my transplant. So I reached here at 10 and my surgery started at 2:30 in the night itself, and all surgeons were too good because they made me in the night and they explained me every procedure and how I am going to get operated. That also they explained me. So there should not be any confusion or anything in my mind, and with my relatives also. So they explained us in everything, and my wish was that I will go by walking to OT and come back out of hospital by walk. And their surgeons from OT also helped me that if you want to walk, we will take you walking, no need to go on stretcher or wheelchair. That also was very great. And all the doctors after surgery also were too good, taking lot of care of me, suggested all the medicines, everything in a right manner. I was admitted on 2nd of September and got discharged after 15 days, and I was completely all right after the surgery. Once my surgery was over, I was there in ACC, which was I think the best in the India, or I can say that it can become a world's best ACC. They have a lot of systems, then the IT team is best, and great. I'm very much grateful to have sisters like this because they took my care by heart, not as a job, but they were putting complete heart while taking my care. So for all 24 hours sister was there and she was taking care a lot. Even in the private room when I was shifted, there was also the same thing, that every sister and every doctor who were coming, they were very positively telling us everything, so that it gave us a confidence, and like I'm feeling right now that they have given me a new life. So I'm very much grateful to have my treatment at Apollo Hyderabad, and Apollo hospitals are the best in India. So I thanks to all Apollo team, surgeons, sisters, staff, even housekeeping staff and F&B staff, who gave me a wonderful, healthy living thing here when I was admitted, and during discharge also they took everything properly, that there should not be have to be run here and there for any of the procedure. So I am grateful and thankful to Apollo.